Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable two-factor authentication on OKX. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the OKX application on your device. And once you open it up, log into your account if you haven't done so already using your email address and your password. Now, once you are logged into your account, you will be taken to your homepage, from which, in order to disable two-factor authentication, if you have already enabled it, then tap on the menu icon at the top left corner. Now, from this page, tap on your account icon, and then underneath your account section, you will find the Security tab. Go ahead and tap on it, and then tap on Security Center. Now, you will be taken into the Security Center page. Now, within this page, if you have already enabled two-factor authentication, you will find that the toggle will be turned towards the right side. So in order to turn this off, simply tap on the toggle button, and now you will be asked to enter the phone verification code that you will receive within your phone. Simply tap on the send code button, and now you will receive a text code within your phone. Just go ahead and paste this code within the verification box and tap on the OK button, and now the two-factor authentication will be turned off. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off two-factor authentication on the OKX application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.